In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Wix. This process is simple and will streamline scheduling appointments directly through your website, making it more efficient for both you and your visitors. First, let's get started by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're in, find and copy the link of the specific schedule you want to integrate with your Wix site. This link is important as it will connect your scheduling tool directly to your site. Now head over to your Wix account. If you're managing multiple websites, make sure to choose the correct website you plan to integrate Calendly with. Once you've selected the right one, you'll be automatically redirected to your dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on Edit Site, taking you directly to the website editor. Once you're in the Wix website editor, it's time to add a new section. Go to Add in the sidebar and choose Section. Select Blank Section to give yourself a fresh area to work with. With this space ready, it's time to add the Calendly element. Navigate over to Add Element. You're looking for Embed Code. From there, select Embed HTML. This feature is crucial because it allows you to insert the Calendly scheduling component directly onto your website page. When prompted, click Website Address and paste the URL you copied earlier from Calendly. This action will link your scheduling page directly to your site, allowing visitors to view and interact with it seamlessly. To ensure that the Calendly integration is prominently displayed, you'll want to make a few adjustments. First, enable the Stretch to Full Width setting. This will expand the Calendly element to fit across the entire section, giving it maximum visibility. Then, if necessary, click and drag the imported Calendly element to position it exactly where you want it on the page. This can be crucial for maintaining the visual flow and user experience of your site. Once you've imported the Calendly scheduler and adjusted its position, take a moment to preview your site. Click on Preview to see how the new integration looks and functions. Make sure everything is working smoothly, as this will be the live environment your visitors will interact with. There you go, your Calendly and Wix integration is now complete. This setup will enhance the efficiency of scheduling directly through your site, providing a better experience for your users and a streamlined process for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.